So today I'm going to be doing a knife video, pocket knives, I collect them. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start off with the best knives and work towards the worst ones, I guess, quality wise. So first one, Spyderco Tenacious. This one's about $45 I think on Amazon. G10 handle scales, liner lock, if you can see that. It's got the signature Spidey hole, I guess. 4-way pocket clip, so you can move it up, down, left, and right. I got mine in a black coated blade. This is a really nice knife for the money. Kind of blends in my shirt. So Spyderco Tenacious. Next I have the Spyderco Endura 4. Green handle scales. I got this. This is also 4-way pocket clip. This one's a lock back, so push that button and the blade closes. Yeah, I mean, this is pretty long for my knife collection. It's a pretty long knife. You got a lanyard hole at the bottom. And so yeah, this one, I don't use this one too much. It's a little hard to deploy because it's kind of just annoying. I don't know, but I do like this one. Next one, SOG Fielder. This one reminds me of like a pirate sword. It's got only one thumb stud on the right, so it's not dual thumb stud. This one's also a liner lock. And the pocket clip you cannot move. It has to stay in that same position. G10 handle scales with the logo engraved right there. Pretty good knife. It's got a nice weight to it. Next one. Where'd it go? Kershaw Cryo. This one's got the flipper on it, as you can see right there. So you just push that and deploys it. It's also got left and right thumb stud. This one is a liner lock, no, frame lock, my bad. As you can see, pocket clip is 4-way movable, so you can do it up, down, left, and right. And this is just metal coating. Another Kershaw. This is Kershaw Blur. Painted the blade, it looks retarded. Dual thumb studs, liner lock, pocket clip, movable, only for the right side, up and down. Kershaw. CRKT, what's this one? M16. Black coating again, will chip off easily. Flipper, as you can see right here. Frame lock. This one's hard to close. It's got the Tanto blade. Partial serrations, as you can see here. Pocket clip does not move. Kind of annoying though. These will snag on your pocket if you put them in, they'll rip it. Another Kershaw, what was it? Shuffle. This one's used to be sharp. It's pretty dull now. I don't use this like ever, but it's very small. Your fingers get very close to the blade here. But be careful like when you're using this. Dual thumb stud. Fine edge blade. This has the screwdriver, lanyard hole, and you can smash out windows with the bottle opener on the back. Scales are Kershaw logo, so you know it's okay. This one isn't really a folding knife, but this is the Camillus BK4 with the Clydex sheath, I think. This one, you can get it dual bladed, so you can have it on both sides. This is just on one side. Another Kershaw injection, I don't remember, this one was a long time ago. Reminds me of a stiletto. It's very slim. Pocket clip is only tip up carry. As you can see there, you can do left and this way. Liner lock. As you can see here, dual thumb studs, so you know I'm left-handed, so I can open it both ways. I know you guys are gonna hate on the Gerber, but you know, gotta have Gerber. It's pretty cheap. Survival knife. This one's got serrations and flathead, dual thumb stud, back lock, rubberized handle scales. Pretty nice. Buck Carantala, I don't remember. Black pocket clip, cannot move that. Dual thumb studs, lock back. Scales on this were like orange with like skulls and stuff on them. Another Buck. This is Buck Slimline 721 pocket clip 4-way. A lot of people hate on this because it's got some movement in the thing. Lock back. Yeah, you know, not serrated, but it does have the ability to go like that. My arm just jiggled. So, you know, decent knife. It's kind of got that Spyderco hole deployment system. Next I got the Sheffield Haze, I think. I'm never going to use this, I just like the way it looks. Liner lock, dual thumb stud, pretty basic, pocket clip doesn't move. Next, the Gerber, forget the name of this, G10 handle scales. Got that in the army green color, pocket clip doesn't move, usually. Dual thumb studs, liner lock. Pretty nice knife. I actually do like to carry this on a lot. It's very basic. Lanyard hole. I like this knife. So yeah, that's the next one. Next is crappy one. This is like a piece of crap. It's Frost Cutlery, you can see there. Dual thumb stud. This one's been used a lot. My dad found this one. It's got just the right thumb stud. Liner lock. I'll never use this one. So it's like Fury brand. This is a souvenir knife. Got that from Natural Ridge in Virginia. Again, never gonna use this. Got that kind of hole deployment. This is serrated and non-serrated. But again, never gonna use this. Aus 8 steel's pretty decent. Next, this is another like not to be used knife. Some sort of police thing I got from Antique Shop. No thumb studs, it's just a little lock back. It's kind of crap, but you know, it doesn't really matter. Next, Gerber, what was this? Paraframe. This is like my first real folding knife. Dual thumb studs, beat the crap out of it, barely works, I don't use it anymore. Pocket clip doesn't move. It's made out of Gerber steel, probably imported from China. Used to like this one. They have the holes in the scales, make it lighter and look cooler. It's just got frame lock. This is a Krosnar knife. My mom learned she was in Spain. I'm not sure the exact model, but it's got wood, grainy wood texture as the scale, with a very stiletto-looking blade. As you can see, it's dual thumb stud. It's pretty small. You can see, like in my hand, it's pretty small. Lanyard hole, pocket clip, basic, very easy to open. Mini Gerber paraframe, not going to go much. Basically the same thing as the normal one. Mini one. Leatherman Wingman, you see right there. It's got the easy deployment knife. I'm not going to go through all the tools. This is a locked liner lock. Obviously pliers in there. Leatherman Wave. Oh, that's the wrong blade. That's serrated. So fine edge and serrated, both are locked. Again, got pliers. There's a saw. This was $80, very expensive and heavy. Swiss Army knife. I mean, this was the Huntsman. It came with a sheep. Not going to go through anything on that. Basically, same thing. This is from the Grand Canyon. Basically, same Swiss Army knife. Pocahontas State Park in Virginia. Same thing. Same thing with this one. Next, I have this green penknife kind of thing. It's got just, you know, the two main blades. I don't know if you get the other one out. Remington. What's this called? Slide lock, I think. No, it's not what it's called. I don't remember. Anyway, pretty cool. Next one. This was a collector's knife. It's green. That's my favorite color. It's got 3 main blades. It says, America Farmer, Keep America Growing, or something like that. I don't use this one. It's too pretty to use. Another Gerber. This is a Gerber Crucial pliers. It's pretty crappy metal. I don't really use it. You know, it's got the knife. Liner lock. This thing kind of bothers me. The like thumb thing. It doesn't really. It's like plastic. It feels like it's gonna fall out. Victorinox. Soldier sort of blade. It's got that serrated at the front and fine edge at the back. This one's liner lock. It's got more tools, as you can see, like on the back. Tweezers, toothpick. Not gonna go through all of them. I don't know if you'd call this a knife, but I mean it's like a box cutter. You can see. This was Husky, guys, at Home Depot. So it's the blade out, lock back, nothing special. Another Gerber ripstop, I think, yeah. Dual thumb studs, got the thumb hole right here. It's got the pocket clip, can't move that. And then the scale, the holes in the scales. It's just their metal they use. This is the Yellow Jacket from Camillus. 2 main blades. You know, nothing special. I don't use this one either, but it's pretty sharp. It's got a neat textural scales here, yellow. Just basically a Swiss Army knife. This is nothing special. This is a Wrangler Swiss Army knife with US TPA on the back. I got that for Christmas. What was this one? Case knife. Bone handles. As you can see, I'm not going to get the other blade out. This is very sharp. I don't use this very much though. Almost done. Swiss Army knife mini one, advertisement. Again, just never going to use it. This one is pretty knife. It's got the 3 main blades on it. Sheep's foot, spade, and then the other one I can't remember what it's called. This is from New Mexico. It's just got nice little color there, you can see. Again, not going to use this one. Little multi-tool. Pliers, spring-loaded. Again, not going to probably ever use that. Gerber. What was this one? It's just a grip by multi tool. You can see.